Good day everyone, my name is Jeff Tamafodi and today we'll embark on a journey of discussing about international trends on large-scale assessment. We have to look into the objectives. The first objective is what are international trends in large-scale assessment about? In other words, we're going to define what are large-scale assessments. And the second one says what are the values of large-scale assessment in South African educational environment. We also have what are the values of large-scale assessment in my own context. Now, before diving into the objectives, why are assessments important? It evaluates learners' performance, it enhances the effectiveness of teaching and learning, and it is used to generate academic performance data, which can be compared in terms of nationally according to the districts, also compared to the provinces, and then international as well can be compared. Now, international trends. So global benchmarking assessments such as PISA, TIMSS, PEARLS provide standard comparison of education system worldwide. So in terms of what this abbreviations stand for, we'll have them in the script where you can refer to. So these assessments serve as indicators for us development. So large-scale international assessments like PISA, TIMSS, and PEARLS provide data policy development and curriculum reforms. So there is a shift towards digital assessments trending and competency based assessment. These are the ones that we usually find in other countries that are developing. So they use the result of all these things for simplicity of generating data that is accelerated, in other words. So unlike the method of using traditional methods of writing where you deal with a lot of papers, those are the international trends. So the value of large scale assessment on South African context. South Africa faces historical inequality and socio-economic challenges. So large scale assessment reveal deep rooted disparities between rural and urban areas in education. So the 2012 ANA and NSC are common trends, mainly paper-based, affecting grade 1 to 9 and grade 12 respectively. So the one with ANA is only grade 1 to 9, but they occur nationally. So these assessments generate valuable data in improving teaching and learning with diagnostic report, which it is used to identify, especially for NSC, the common errors that learners do for improvement, for future improvement. NSC results are comparable internationally, indicating that curriculum alignment and the need for restructuring and reshaping the curriculum in South Africa context can be applicable. So when we compare with other countries, it put us in a situation that suggests that we need to improve here or not. Can South Africa shift towards digital assessments? So this one is going to be very difficult because of the inequality that occurred in the country previously, as well as other socio-economic levels, because it was also tried during the times of COVID-19, whereby we have seen that the especially learners situated in the deep rural areas couldn't actually manage because of lack of resources, especially in rural areas. Now, the value of large scale assessment, in my own view, large scale assessment are standardized summative evaluations at the end of the year to evaluate learners' knowledge and achievements. So, examples include the National Senior Certificate and the annual assessment. These assessments help structure the curriculum and reinforce education system. So other summative assessments occur after every lesson or term or a semester. A pilot program, the General Education Certificate, which is also in South Africa, was actually introduced as part of the assessment. So it actually focuses on accommodating learners with different learning objectives. So the value is that they really try to improve the philosophy of teaching and all that. That brings us to the end of our slide. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.